Is your home feeling too hot in the summer? Or too cold in the winter? At Full Speed Heating and Air, we have got you covered, fast, reliable, and always affordable. Our certified technicians specialize in installation, repair, and maintenance of heating and cooling systems. Whether it's a quick tune-up, an emergency repair, or a brand new energy-efficient system, we bring comfort back to your home, without the wait. Customers choose Full Speed because we deliver what matters most: comfort, safety, and peace of mind. Plus, we back our work with satisfaction guarantees, so you can trust the job will be done right the first time. Don't just take our word for it. Our customers rave about how quickly we respond and how easy we make the whole process. So, if your heating or cooling isn't keeping up, don't sweat it. Call Full Speed Heating and Air today. Get your free quote, fast service, and year-round comfort you can count on. Full Speed Heating and Air, because comfort should never have to wait.